Hi, this is Keymaster 1053, and I wanted to show you today a breakdown of the van cam locks. They're pretty basic design. Focus in on that. I don't have a key for these, but I'm going to make one by disassembling this, measuring all the pins, and then creating a key. So I have all these. First thing you'll need to do is get a very small screw. And what that does is that threads into that little hole right there. That's a knurled washer, if you will, that holds it all together. So I've already got one that I started on. You screw this into the center of that, and then you start pulling it out, and it'll slide right out. Like that. And it's knurled on the outside. I don't know if you can see that. And it's threaded on the inside so that you can remove it. Once you've done that, the whole core will just fall right out. It's one complete unit. You don't have to worry about springs flying anywhere yet. That's the housing. I had already taken the little washers off the back, and the little pieces that were on the shaft here. So this is one solid core. If you had the key right now and put it in, the front piece would move while the back piece stayed stationary. And the front piece is, of course, attached to the shaft, and that would actuate the cam. Now all you have holding this on is a little E-clip on the back. So I'm going to take that off. Then you have to be careful of springs and pins. Okay, that's off. And now everything's going to start coming out the back. So I'll let the pressure up easy so it doesn't go everywhere. Take the cover plate off. And there are all your springs. There'll be 7 of them. Okay. I'm going to take all them out. Decent sized spring. Get those out of there. Almost done. 6 and 7. Okay. Now, these are your pins. And they'll fall right out. You can always lift. Get the pin before I lose it. Okay. Yeah, they even have serrated pins to make it harder to pick or impression. Lift that right off. There's your collar, sleeve. And then here, more serrated pins. And then, of course, the bottom pins. Take all these out. Put that one back in. That was a finger pin. No, it wasn't either. It was in backwards. There we go. Yep. Okay, so there's all the face pins are still in there. And the face pins are shaped in such a way that they can't fall out the front of the lock, of course. So it's like tapered. And what I'm going to do is take each of these pins out and measure them, and then make a corresponding key for it. And you can do the same method with the types of plunger locks that the vending machines use. They have that same nut right there. You just put the screw in, pull that straight up, the face will fall out, take the core apart, and you can repin it, decode it, whatever you want to do with it. Put it back together, you'll have a working lock. And that's what the keys look like. Let's put that puppy on there. Try to get in front of the camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you subscribe to my videos.